Namaste दोस्तों. Today I want to talk about a subject that goes right to the heart of Indian democracy. Rahul Gandhi called vote chori or vote theft. In the past few months, Rahul Gandhi has made serious allegations about the way elections are being conducted in our country. He claimed that India elections are no completely longer free and fair, that there is a systematic organized manipulation happening behind the scenes. According to him, the Bharatiya Janata Party, together with Election Commission of India, is manipulating voter lists, deleting genuine names, and adding fake or duplicate ones. He described this as an institutionalized chori, a system, not just an accident. He said this is not about one seat or one state. It is a pattern that he believes undermines the very soul of democracy, the right of chori. For example, in the Haryana, he claimed that nearly 25 fake voters were added to the list. In Karnataka, in the Mahadevpura constituency, he said that over 1 lakh vote are 1 lakh vote were stolen through the fake addresses and duplicate entries. Rahul Gandhi insists that these manipulations hurt the poor, minorities, and women, people who already struggle to make their voice heard. He has demanded complete transparency, asking the ECI to share machine related reliable vote data, CCTV footage from polling booth, and verification records so that he claim can be checked openly. But their other side tell us very different story. The ECI, Election Commission of India, has rejected these allegations outright. They have said that the vote chori is a dirty word used without evidence because it damages public trust in election. The commission has challenged Rahul Gandhi to submit solid proof, not just speech or social media posts. In Haryana, where he claimed 25 lakh voters are fake, the commission clarified that actual number of objective was around 4 lakh, not 25 lakhs. And in the Karnataka, they explained that public deletion of voters' name online is impossible. Only official field verification can do that. The BJP too has to call these allegations political motivated. They say Rahul Gandhi is using phrase vote chori as excuse of electoral defeat and the and that he is insulting Indian voters by questioning their judgment. They have challenged him, if you have proof, bring it to court. So, where does that leave us? Right now, these are still claims, not proven fact. Rahul Gandhi says he has 100% proof. The ECI says so it, and the people of India left watching, wondering what true. But regardless of who is right, is debate raising some important questions. Are our voters list truly accurate? Are our election completely secure? And most important, does every citizen vote really count? Where you agree with Rahul Gandhi or not, the issue he has risen touches the foundation of our democracy, because democracy is not about casting vote, it is about trust, and trust that must never be broken. In conclusion, Rahul Gandhi allegation of vote chori has sparked a national conversation about the integrity of electoral system. The ECI and the ruling government had denied these claims, demanding evidences and cautioning about blessed accusation.